Hi, I'm Holly Clegg. Welcome to another Rush Hour recipe, and do I have one for you today? Do you like Tex-Mex dip, that 7-layer Mexican dip? Oh my goodness, wait till you try my Mediterranean layer dip. So it has all the components of Tex-Mex, but we're going Mediterranean. Simple to do. I like it because you can make it ahead of time. It serves a crowd. And wait till you see these wonderful flavors that come together. So let's get started. I've started with the cream cheese layer, and this is what the ingredients are. We have cream cheese, which is reduced fat cream cheese. This is non-fat Greek yogurt, and Greek yogurt has a little more protein and calcium, lemon juice, garlic, and oregano. So that gives it all those components of a Mediterranean style flavor. And then we're just gonna layer. And I like the roasted red pepper hummus. I think it adds a little color and a little more flavor, and you just put it in. And I've made this for every party I think I've ever gone to. Had people over, it's my go-to tomatoes. And when tomatoes aren't in season, I usually use the Roma tomatoes or, whatever. And next, cucumber. And I've just chopped the cucumber. I peeled most of it, but I like to leave a little peeling on. It looks pretty. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. This is my downfall. And then green onions. Chopped a little green onions. These flavors all go really nice together. And this is reduced fat feta. And put that, you can see. All comes together so easily and nicely. And last, Kalamata olives. Now, a lot of times I rate a olive bar, but sometimes I just buy them in the jar. My motto, what's most convenient and what's easiest. Speaking of easy, this recipe is from Kitchen 101, which is my easiest of cookbooks. I have a menu section in there. Everything is trim and terrific, and it has all your nutritional information and diabetic exchanges. So next time you're having a party, you just don't know what to prepare, you don't have time to cook, come see me and try my Mediterranean layer dip. I promise you'll get such great reviews. And I'm ready. I told y'all I wanted to dig in.